today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here. This is very glam, like glam AF, like very natural AF. It's just like, I don't know, it's like, I feel like it's like in the middle of like kind of dramatic and very natural. Like it's right in the middle. Like I feel like the glitter just makes it pop more. The colors, the warm colors, you could totally change the colors in the crease into like a rose like color. Like what is that palette called? It's like a Wet n Wild palette. It Rose in the Air, I think. Like you could have like this like a rosy kind of tone eye makeup, or just like cool tone, whatever. This look could be changed in different kind of colors. It will still look very, very pretty. This will actually look very pretty with like purple instead of like the warm tones, and then like, oh yeah, I'm feeling it. But I don't want to have this video super long, like the intro to be super long, so we're just gonna get right into this makeup look. Alright guys, so before we get into this makeup tutorial, I do want to say real quick, I'm sorry if this video is up late. Usually my videos are up like around, I try to get them up, I don't have like a schedule, but I try to get them up at like in the morning, like 9 or 10, or if I can't do it then, and if I'm doing makeup, I try to get them up around like 1 or 2. I forgot to like record yesterday. When this video was up, that's like when I'm recording it. I forgot to record yesterday on Tuesday. I was thinking I don't have to record today, I could record tomorrow and then put a video up the next day, but I don't know. I guess I forgot it was Tuesday. I don't know what day I thought it was, but whatever. But yeah, so the day I am recording this is the same day I'm putting the video up. Maybe this video will be up at like 3 or 4. I have no idea, but you guys know because obviously you guys are watching it and you guys know what time it is. So yeah, so I just wanted to say that. Sorry if this video is gonna be up late. So I'm gonna grab this palette right here, which is the Jaclyn Hill palette. Obviously this palette's very well known. I'm just gonna grab this color right here and I'm gonna put that on the outer part of the eye. I am gonna bring it in here, but I want most of it to be back here. Now I'm gonna take this Sweet Peach palette right here. I did use the blush in this palette and the bronzer in the palette. So yeah, if you're wondering what's on my cheeks right now, that's what it is. But I do want to take the bronzer and just like do the same exact thing, just kind of bronze it up a little bit more. And I think that's going to be all the colors that we're going to put in the crease, and then we'll mess with the Ulta glitter cream shadow thingies. So these guys are the cream sparkly thingies that I was just talking about. I don't know which one I want to go in with. This one's called Bronze and this one's called Rose Gold, and I don't know what one I want to go in with. But that is the swatch, and that's like 2 layers right there. This one's Bronze and the other one is Rose Gold, and I'm thinking Rose Gold because the Rose Gold is kind of matching a little bit more with the colors that I just put in my crease. The bronze ones are a little bit too bronzy and a little bit too dark with the colors in my crease right now, so I'm just gonna take this and put that. I don't even know what I want to do with this, like do like a half cut crease with this, or like just do it messy. I don't know, so we're just gonna see what I do with it. So what I did, the camera turned off when I was in the middle of it. I applied the glitter thingy. I applied the glitter thing and I was just like blending it so it's like messy looking and not like very like cut crease, because I love that look. I just love that messy look. And so I just did that, and then I just like set it with this color right here in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and then I was just like applying more of the cream shadow and just like applying more of the shadow, just like to make it very sparkly, because there's sparkles in this, so it was very easy to blend because there's sparkles in it. So it was just like very easy to blend. You could just blend it with your crease brush and it will blend very easily. So now what I'm going to be doing is just putting on lashes, and I think I'm going to, since I'm not really feeling like a hardcore like eye today, I think I'm just going to go in with the Studio Effect Demi Wispies. And I think they're just called Wispies. I don't think they're called Demi. I don't think they're called Demi Wispies. I think they're just called Wispies. So I'm just going to apply these and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so I put on some lashes. The mascara that I use is this Maybelline New York Great Lash Mascara in Very Black. And yeah, so now what I'm going to be doing is, I hope that there's no like glue, like nasty glue. You know how there's like nasty glue, and then it was like the other video, like the other day, I don't even know, like maybe last week, there was a video where I was like looking down and there was like this white like glue, and it annoyed me so much. Like I just like was so annoyed. I was about to not upload the video, but then I was like, I need to upload this video, like I literally need to. So yeah, I don't remember what video that was, but I know that there was a video where I kept looking down and you could see like glue. It was disgusting. So I don't think there's any glue showing like that today. There is a little bit, but I don't think it's very noticeable, so we're just gonna ignore it. So my bottom lash line, I want to do the same exact thing that we did to the crease. Take the Jaclyn Hill palette, take that color, the first color that we put in our crease, down there, and then take the color from this palette, the contour color, down there also. We're just gonna blend it down there, and then yeah, I don't know what I'm going to be doing for my brow bone and inner corner, but we'll figure that out together. I think I'm going to take the color that we put on our lid from the Jaclyn Hill palette, this one right here. So I think I'm going to take that and just like pop it on the inner corner. I'm also going to take, because why not, this L'Oreal Paris 24-Hour Infallible Eyeshadow in Ice Latte. And I'm just going to take this and put it on my brow bone and just add a little bit more of, and just add this to my brow bone and my inner corner just to make it pop a little bit more. Now I'm going to apply some powder under my eyes and pop some mascara on the bottom lashes. So I curled my hair, and I haven't curled my hair in so long, and I'm literally in love. Every single time when I haven't like curled my hair in so long, and when I curl my hair, it looks so like, I feel like a princess, a freaking princess when I curl my hair. I don't know why. Like, I could just like curl my hair without makeup and feel like amazing. Like, I just can't. I love curls. I think I want to do like a video on how I curl my hair, because I just feel like everybody does it different, and I just want to show you guys how I curl my hair. And yeah, so comment down below or like this video if you want to see that. Now, before my camera dies, I'm going to do my lippy. I do want to use this, what is this? Milani? Yeah, I think this is Milani, Color Statement Lip Liner, in Spice. I really love this. I haven't used it in so long. I just pulled it out like the other day and I used it. I'm like, oh my god, why did I stop using this? And it's so small too. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go for a matte today. I feel like I've been going with glosses for so long, and I just need to go with a matte. So I think I want to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick, but let me go look at some stuff because I have no idea what I want to use. I think I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Kiss, and it's so gorgeous, like literally so gorgeous. So I'm going to line my lips and then put this right on top. Alright guys, so I'm done with the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like how this turned out. It's like a very glam AF, like daytime makeup look. Like it's just like very natural and just like bang, like in your face. It looks very dramatic, but it looks very natural at the same exact time. I think the I'm getting my mirror. Hold on. I think the sparkles makes it a little bit more dramatic and in your face, and the warm tone just makes it more natural and more like daytime appropriate, and like, yeah. So I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys. I don't want to have this video too long because I have to edit it like right after I'm done recording and get it up the same day. Like, it's just stressful and just a lot, and yeah. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but to like this video and also comment. That helps me out a lot. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and also that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like, comment, and all that jazz. And I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!